Zimbabwe TV, and I'm reporting right in central London, where there are demonstrations against the far right, and this, as you can see, people have gathered in their thousands, sea of people, you can see multitude of people around, different groups demonstrating, uniting in one purpose, demonstrating against the far right, against capitalism, against racism, and this is a group of united for one purpose, only one purpose. People are saying no to racism, people are saying no capitalism, and it's every age group, from the old to the young, and they are all united in one voice, as you can see. Hello, how are you doing?
We're okay. Are you taking pictures for the television?
I'm taking it for the television, yes. She's hiding, isn't it? And people are united with one voice, and one voice only to say no to racism, no to control of people by capitalism. And as you can see, this is just a sea of people all over the place. They are united in one voice, people of all nationalities. They are just united in one voice. As you can see, they are united in one voice. This is what Africa can also learn, that people can express their views without suppressing them.
Are you right?
Millions and millions.
Yeah, so no, that is a problem. Are you encouraged?
Millions and millions. Sea of people.
like your sticker that says MTV.
People are united with one voice. One voice. Let's unite. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Great.
I'm from Sibuka Zimbabwe TV. So I just wanted to find out what brought you here.
Well, I believe in peace and love, and I believe that we're all should be together and looking after each other and not fighting each other. I think it's been going on for thousands of years. It's time it came to a stop because we're getting close to the climate collapse now, climate catastrophe. We can't afford to fight each other anymore. We've got to work together.
Work together, unity.
Unity.
Unit of purpose.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Tony
Tony. My name is Taka.
Taka.
Alright, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I just come up with this. You know, it's a great.